Hello, so today we will go over how to deploy a StackAI bot in WhatsApp. The first thing we will do is create a new project. And in StackAI, the easiest flow that you can build is the one that connects an input node to an output node. And so if you type here hello, for example, and you press play, this string will be sent to the output node. This is the simplest workflow that you can build, and we will see how to export this flow. Once we learn how to export this flow, you can, of course, export more complex flows afterward. So for this first step, what we'll do is click on export. You will be asked to first publish these versions, which I haven't done. So just click on continue to export anyway, which will deploy the flow that you just built. And here you'll be granted with 4 tabs: Chatbot, Form, WhatsApp SMS, API Endpoint. Today, the one that we are interested with is WhatsApp SMS. And you'll have just to fill the information here that is shown in this setup wizard. Once you're done with this, we provide you with documentation here in our docs page about how to set up a Twilio account and how to connect it with StackAI. But today we'll just skip through it and show you directly how to set this up. So if we go back to StackAI, you will be given this webhook URL. Make sure that you click on show token so that you don't see this your API key, but instead your actual token. Copy paste this URL. And then go to Twilio, and in Twilio, you will be, once you create an account, you will be granted with a page like this one. Click on messaging, click on try it out, and then click on send a WhatsApp message. The first thing you'll have to do is to go through the Twilio wizard on how to connect to the sandbox, how to initiate a message, and how to do a conversation. I will skip these steps for now because I already have configured this. The only thing you have to do is basically code this join solidized phrase into and send a message to this number with this content, which I've done already here, as you can see. And you can do it many times so that, let me see, join solidized, so that Twilio can accept your connection. Once you have connected with Twilio, what we can do is go to Sandbox Settings next to the Sandbox tab in Twilio. And here what we will do is remove this WebSocket and put the one that we're providing in StackAI. So I'm going to copy paste this one and then paste it into the Twilio website. All right. Very easy. You just save here. Make sure you save here. And once we have this done, we can basically interface with our chatbot. So right now we should be replying with exactly the same words that we sent. So in this case, you see that it's already replied hello. So that's exactly what we wanted. I'm gonna put my face here, and that's it. That's very easy. We just deployed our bot into WhatsApp. You can do something very similar for SMS using the functionality in Twilio. Now let's do something else slightly more complicated, just to show, for the sake of it, how powerful this can be. Let's set up an OpenAI model, connect the input to the OpenAI model, the output to the LLM as well. And in this case, I'm going to select the GPT 3.5 Turbo because it's the fastest one. And we will make the bot such that it's a helpful financial assistant to do something. And the bot will only reply the questions that are sent into the input. For now, I'm skipping the part where we set memory into the large language model. But the idea is that if you want to build a fully fledged chatbot, you will have to enable memory as well. In this case, it will only answer questions that you have in terms of financial questions. So one thing you can ask is what is a Roth IRA, for example? And you can press play here to see how it's gonna answer. Seems like it's answering pretty verbosely. So what I'm gonna do is instead of having all of this, I'll tell it to be as concise as possible. Answer with one sentence to make the generation shorter and faster. There you are. Okay. And now that we've done these changes, make sure that you deploy these flow, just click on publish. And as soon as you see the green light here, you'll be able to interface with this bot in WhatsApp. This gets directly deployed so that you don't have to do the whole Twilio setup again. So let's ask, what is a Roth IRA? Of course, you can ask whatever you want here. Depending on what you ask, it will give you more information. But you get the idea. Here is the information that you requested, and you can ask many more things. What is a retirement account? It's a very silly question in this case, but you get the idea. Great, and with this we get like everything we needed to deploy to WhatsApp. You can see that with a few clicks you can get a chatbot in WhatsApp pretty easily, and of course you have access to the whole versatility of Stack AI to build much more complex workflows that can serve your customers or even yourself.